Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. So for this week's tech tips, I'm going to give you some Windows shortcuts. The first shortcut is Alt plus Tab will switch between open applications, and Alt plus Shift plus Tab goes backwards between those applications. Alt plus Print Screen will create a screenshot for the current program. Alt plus Control plus Delete is to reboot, and it'll give you a Windows Task Manager. Alt plus Escape brings up the Start menu. Alt plus Escape Dash switch between applications on the taskbar. F2 to rename a selected icon. F3 to start Find from the desktop. F4 to open the drive selection when browsing. F5 refresh contents. Alt plus F4 closes the current view for the open program. Control F4 closes the window in the program. Control plus key automatically adjusts the width of all columns in Windows Explorer. Alt plus Enter open the properties window of the selected icon or program. Shift plus F10 simulates a right click on the selected item. Shift plus Delete deletes program files permanently. Holding Shift during boot up boots into safe mode or bypasses the system files. Holding Shift during boot up when putting in an audio CD will prevent CD player from playing. Thank you and have a safe week.